Hi, this is Raghuvan. Oof, your dragon. He's just a regular fresher, got some decent skills, worked hard on, got good internship, built a couple of projects. You know, the usual perfect resume checklist. But guess what? The rejections still kept rolling in. Yes.
So here is the thing. He does not want you to waste months figuring out the hard way like he did. So in this video we are trying to decode 3 myths killing your chances. And the first one is the most dangerous one. So let's begin. By the way, don't forget to subscribe Decode Bytes and join our Telegram group because we are going to provide you a toolkit of resources to get you hired.
So yeah, this is part one, and the part one is myth busted. Let's start by killing a few myths because our freshers are building the resume on this bad advice. So let's see what is the first myth. So yeah, how you can see on the screen, this is the myth one, that is career objective. We have a practice of including a big paragraph on the first of the resume, but that's not true. You should not do it. The fact is we should not include the career objective as a full paragraph. Instead, we just write 2 to 3 powerful lines which will help the recruiter to know what you can bring to the table. So, yeah, let's deep dive into myth number two. Myth number two is about personal details. I have seen most of the freshers, what they do is they include the personal details section at the bottom of the resume, and no, this is just a myth. The fact is, it is totally outdated and not relevant. If you want to add your details, you should be adding it in the profile section, and that is only name. Your name should be bolder and bigger in size, and it should also include the location, the email, the LinkedIn, and the portfolio is a plus. If you add your portfolio link, it will be very helpful for the recruiters to know more about you in less time is about fancy designs. Fancy designs will impress recruiters. No, this is just a myth. I've seen most of the freshers making the resume very fancy, like adding different emojis and different images, adding different colors, no font style limited. They will be adding so many fonts like Antone, like Babesque, and like Monistron, etc. But this is not true. You should be adding only 1 2 fonts, one for the heading and one for the text. By this, you will be not only help the recruiters to read your resume, but also to the AI bots, as AI bots cannot understand complex designs. They can't read them. So make your resume clean, simple, and very easy to read to stand out.
So now you know the common resume beliefs which were holding you back, or you can say the common myths which were holding you back. And that's the only reason every fresher was getting rejected even without a glance to their resume. But clearing myths is just the first step. Stay tuned because we are going to share something very priceless in the next video, and that is the smartest resume format that every recruiter needs, or every recruiter's attention is grabbed. Not only recruiters but also boards, as we are going to share the ATS friendly resume in the next video. Stay tuned because decoding bytes has just one motive, and that is to get you hired. Thank you. This is your host Bhumika signing off.